everyone. Today we are introducing ourselves. Myself Likita Sahitya.
Myself Rukia Fatima.
Myself Esreka. We are from 7th A section from Nanabharti School, Kallandu, Kanandapur district. We are participating in robotics competition. Our robotic project name is Advanced Ballistic with Vibromotor and Buzzer. Our school started this robotics subject in this academic year. The study of about robots is called robotics.
To involve creating a smart walking stick for visually and hearing impaired individuals in navigating with their surroundings. This project is equipped with a buzzer and a vibromotor to provide both the auditory and tactile feedback, enhancing both the mobility and safety.
Components required for blind stick: Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, vibromotor, and this one is power bank, connecting wires, stick. Working principle: the ultrasonic sensor continuously measures the distance of obstacles ahead. The obstacle is detected within a certain range. The Arduino Uno produces the signal. The vibromotor produces the vibration and the buzzer produces the sound alert, enabling the user to censor the obstacle through sound or touch.
Applications: daily navigator for visually and hearing impaired individuals in navigating with their surroundings. Used in a crowded or unfamiliar environment where the obstacle direction is critical.
Conclusion: the advanced plastic is a steep, inclusive technology providing enhance and importance, the independence and the assets. Requirements to make this ballistic is ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, buzzer, vibromotor, connecting wires, power bank. This wire to supply the current and stick. The blind stick is used to blind people and deaf people.
Now we are going to test this project and show you how this project works. This project detects obstacles for 25 centimeters away or when the obstacle is very near to the user. This project gives a vibration to the user when the obstacle is very near. This project detects a very small rock from the 25 centimeters. We are grateful to you because you gave us a chance to participate in this competition. Thank you for giving us this golden opportunity.